In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you guys through about converting images to colors in GIMP. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So I do want to point out that if an image has not been saved outside of GIMP, like if it's just a project file, you can modify it very easily. If you're actually trying to turn a black and white image into color, that's a different tutorial altogether. You actually would have to go about painting over different areas with your desired colors. This is just simply if you're looking to just convert it into color mode, basically. You just would select the image tab at the top, select mode, and then select RGB, and that's all you should have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.